Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of plant care, exploring the delicate balance of life that sustains these silent partners in our ecosystem. Just as a doctor tends to their patients, we'll be looking at the signs and symptoms of distress in our leafy companions. If your plant is looking a little worse for wear, don't worry. We've got you covered with some easy fixes for common problems. From the vibrant green hues of a healthy plant to the drooping leaves crying out for help, we'll learn to decipher their silent language and provide the care they need to thrive. Our journey begins with perhaps the most common ailment affecting our plant companions: overwatering. In our eagerness to nurture, we often smother them with kindness, leading to a soggy demise. One of the telltale signs of an overwatered plant is the yellowing of its leaves. Unlike a nitrogen deficiency, where older leaves yellow first, overwatering affects the entire plant. The vibrant green fades, replaced by a sickly yellow hue, a cry for help from the roots below. Next, we examine the soil. Soggy soil days after watering is a clear indicator of overwatering. The excess water suffocates the roots, preventing them from absorbing nutrients and carrying out their vital functions. The plant may also exhibit stunted growth as the waterlogged roots struggle to support new development. Finally, keep an eye out for leaf drop. Excessive dropping, especially from the center of the plant, can signal overwatering. Now that we've identified the symptoms of overwatering, let's explore ways to nurse our waterlogged patients back to health. The first step is simple. Allow the soil to dry out completely before watering again. Feel the soil with your finger. If it's still damp below the surface, resist the urge to water. Next, we investigate the pot itself. Ensure it has adequate drainage holes to allow excess water to escape. If not, consider repotting your plant into a more suitable container. When repotting, choose a well-draining potting mix. Avoid heavy soils that retain water. A light and airy mix will allow the roots to breathe and recover. Finally, patience is key. It may take time for your plant to recover from overwatering. Continue to monitor its progress, adjusting your watering schedule as needed. Just as we share our homes with a myriad of tiny creatures, our plants too can become unwilling hosts to a variety of pests. These miniature marauders, often unseen by the naked eye, can wreak havoc on our leafy companions. One such culprit is the aphid, a tiny pear-shaped insect that congregates in clusters on stems and the undersides of leaves. Aphids are sapsuckers, draining the plant's vital fluids and leaving behind a sticky residue known as honeydew. Another common pest is the spider mite. These minuscule arachnids are difficult to spot with the naked eye, but their presence is often revealed by fine webbing on the plant. Like aphids, spider mites feed on plant sap, causing leaves to yellow, stipple, and eventually drop. Mealybugs, with their white, cottony appearance, are another unwelcome guest. These soft-bodied insects also feed on plant sap, weakening the plant and stunting its growth. Finally, keep an eye out for fungus gnats, tiny flies that flit around the base of your plants. While the adults are more of a nuisance, their larvae feed on plant roots. Having identified the unwelcome guests feasting on our plants, it's time to evict these miniature marauders and restore balance to our indoor ecosystem. Introduce natural predators like ladybugs and predatory mites. Ladybugs consume aphids, while predatory mites target spider mites. A gentle spray of water can dislodge many pests. Insecticidal soap disrupts cell membranes of soft-bodied insects. Neem oil disrupts the life cycle of pests. For severe infestations, use systemic insecticides cautiously. Healthy soil is crucial for thriving plants. It provides nutrients, water, and oxygen. Enhance soil quality by adding compost. Compost releases nutrients and improves structure. Proper pH levels are crucial. Most plants prefer a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Aeration is key for soil health. Regularly aerate soil to improve drainage. Mulching retains moisture and suppresses weeds. Healthy soil is a living ecosystem. Avoid harsh chemicals to protect microorganisms. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you bring your plants back to life. Remember, every leaf that unfurls, every bloom that bursts forth, is a testament to the care and attention you provide. Just as a conductor guides an orchestra to create a symphony of sound, so too can we cultivate a thriving oasis in our homes by understanding the needs of our plant companions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant care tips. Together, let's create a world where both people and plants can flourish.